Welcome to Solveora Mathematics. Let's start with trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. So, you already have done the construction of these angles 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees. You already know how to construct in geometry. Let us find out the sine, cos, tan of these angles. From this table, you can see the trigonometric ratios of sine 30, sine 45, sine 60, sine 90. Similarly for cos, tan, cosec, sec, and cot A. You already know cosec A, sec A, and cot A are the reciprocal of sine A, cos A, tan A respectively. Okay. So let us find the trigonometric ratio for sine 45, cos 45, and tan 45. For that, we will start with this right angle triangle. In this right angle triangle, the angle A is 45 degrees. Obviously, the angle C is also 45 degrees because this is a right angle triangle. Suppose side AB is equal to X. Therefore, AB is equal to BC because this is in one way an isosceles triangle. The angles are 45, 45, so these sides are equal. So if this is X, this is X. Using Pythagoras theorem, we know AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Therefore, X square plus X square is equal to AC square. 2x square is equal to AC square. Therefore, AC is equal to root of 2x square, that is root 2x. So, this is root 2x, side AC. Now, sine 45 degrees is equal to, sine is Sophie, opposite by hypotenuse from the last class. So, sine 45 is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Here we will consider this angle as the reference angle. Therefore, opposite is x and hypotenuse is root 2x. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. You can see here sine 45 is root 2. Similarly, cos 45 is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, again from the last class, K. Cos is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. So cos 45 is equal to, again, x by root 2x, which is equal to 1 by root 2. So cos 45 is again 1 by root 2. And tan 45 degrees is equal to, tan is topa, opposite by adjacent. So considering this angle as a reference angle, tan 45, it is BC by AB, which is equal to x by x, which is equal to 1. So tan 45 is 1, you can see from here. Now, cosec A is the reciprocal of sine A. That means cosec 45 is reverse of 1 by root 2, reciprocal of 1 by root 2, that is root 2. Similarly, for cos A, the reciprocal of this is again root 2. And for tan, the reciprocal is cot, so the reciprocal of 1 is 1. Now let's find the trigonometric ratios of 30 degrees and 60 degrees. Here we have considered an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means a triangle whose all the angles are 60 degrees. The sides are equal. So this is an equilateral triangle. We have considered the sides as 2x. So AB is equal to AC, which is equal to BC, which is equal to 2x. We have drawn a perpendicular from A to BC at D. Now, these two triangles can be proved as congruent triangles, because once you draw the perpendicular, so if you consider triangle ABD and triangle ADC, you find AB is equal to AC, it's already given. AD is common. Angle ABD is equal to angle ACD, and also angle ADB is equal to angle ADC. Hence, these two triangles are congruent. So we can consider BD is equal to DC, which is equal to half of BC, that is 2x by 2, which is equal to x. Using the Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to BD square plus AD square. AB square is equal to BD square plus AD square. So AB square is equal to 2x square, which is equal to BD square, that is x square, plus AD square. So AD square is equal to 4x square minus x square, which is equal to 3x square. Hence, side AD is equal to root of 3x square, that is root 3x, sorry. So this side is root 3x. Now let us find sine 30 degrees. If this is the reference angle sine 30 means opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite of this angle is the side BD, and the hypotenuse is AB. So BD is equal to x and AB is equal to 2x. Sine 30 is half. Let us check in the table. Sine 30, it is half. 1 by 2. Similarly, cos 30 degrees is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse, which is equal to, what is adjacent of this reference angle? AD. Hypotenuse is AB. AD we have calculated as root 3x and AB is equal to 2x. So you get root 3 by 2. So cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Let us check tan 30 degrees. So tan 30 is opposite by adjacent. So tan 30 opposite is x and adjacent is root 3x. That is 1 by root 3. So let us check in the table. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So from the table you can check cosec 30, that is the reverse reciprocal of sine 30. Half reciprocal is 2. Let us check cosec 30, sec 30 and cot 30. Cosec 30 is the reciprocal of sine 30. So you can check here. A reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2. Sec 30, reciprocal of cos 30, 2 by root 3. Reciprocal of tan 30 is cot 30, which is equal to root 3. So you can see, if you understand these three, this is not important to mug up. Now we'll check trigonometric ratio for angle 60 degrees. Sine 60 degrees. So in this case, we will take the reference of angle ABC. This is 60 degrees. So sine 60 is opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite of this is AD and the hypotenuse is AB. AD is, we have calculated as root 3x and AB is 2x. So you get root 3 by 2. So what is sine 60? You can check in the table. That is root 3 by 2. And the reciprocal, that is cosec 60, is 2 by root 3. What is cos 60 degrees? Cos 60 degree means adjacent by hypotenuse. Cos 60 is again taking the reference of this angle ABC, 60 degrees. Adjacent is x and hypotenuse is 2x. So it is 1 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Let us check in the table. Cos 60 is 1 by 2 and sec 60 is the reciprocal of cos 60. So you can check here, reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2. Now let us come to tan 60 degrees, that is opposite by adjacent. Opposite is AD, adjacent is BD. AD is root 3x and BD is x, which is equal to root 3. So tan 60 is root 3. Let us again confirm from the table. Tan 60 is root 3 and the reciprocal is 1 by root 3 and cot A is reciprocal of tan A. You can see from the table the trigonometric ratios for angle 30, 45 and 60 are very easily calculated. Apart from whatever we have learnt, there is a small trick. For sine 0 degrees, sine 30 degrees, sine 45 degrees, sine 60 degrees and sine 90 degrees. To remember these values, just write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 4 and take the square root. You get 0, sine 0 is 0. This is 1 by 2, sine 30 is half. This is 1 by root 2, sine 45 is 1 by root 2. And this is root 3 by 2, sine 60 is root 3 by 2. And sine 90 is 1 from this you can see. So you can remember this small trick for the examination purpose. Sine A minus B is equal to 1 by 2 and cos A plus B is equal to 1 by 2. It's given A is greater than B and A plus B is greater than 0 and less than equal to 90. You have to find A and B, angle A and angle B. So sine A minus B is equal to half, which is equal to sine of some angle. So for what angle, the sine of that angle is 1 by 2. So from the table you can check. For sine 30, the ratio is 1 by 2. So this is equal to sine 30. So A minus B is equal to 30 degrees. Correct? Now, cos A plus B is equal to 1 by 2, which is equal to cos of some angle theta, which is equal to cos. So for what angle, the cos of that angle is 1 by 2. Check the cos table. Cos 1 by 2 means 60. So this is cos 60 degrees, which implies A plus B is equal to 60 degrees. Now you solve for A minus B and A plus B. 1 and 2, equation 1 and 2. When you solve, what you get? 2A is equal to, if you add 1 plus 2, you get 2A, which is equal to 90, which implies A is equal to 45 degrees. And when you calculate, you get B is equal to 15 degrees. You can put the values here and check. If A is 45 and B is 15, 45 minus 15 is 30. So sine 30 is 1 by 2. If A is 45 and B is 15, 45 plus 15 is 60. So cos 60 is 1 by 2. Correct? Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and press the bell icon to get the updates. See you in the next class. Thank you.